Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we practice English at a coffee shop. Let's listen and learn together. Question: what does Sarah want to drink? Scenario: Sarah is at a coffee shop. She wants to buy a drink and a snack. Mark is the barista.
Hello! Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am good. Thank you. How are you?
I am very well. What can I get for you?
I would like a coffee, please.
Sure. A small coffee or a large coffee?
A large coffee, please.
Do you want hot coffee or cold coffee?
I want a hot coffee, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes. Can I have a chocolate muffin?
I am sorry. We do not have chocolate muffins.
Oh no. No chocolate muffins?
No. We are out of chocolate muffins.
That is a problem. I love chocolate.
We have blueberry muffins.
Blueberry muffins?
Yes. They are very fresh.
Are they good?
Yes. They are delicious.
Okay. I will take one blueberry muffin.
Great. One large hot coffee. One blueberry muffin.
Thank you.
That is $7, please.
$7?
Yes. The coffee is $4. The muffin is $3.
Okay.
Here is $10. Thank you. Here is your change.
How much change is it?
It is $3.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Please wait a moment for your coffee.
Okay. I will wait here.
Here is your large hot coffee. And here is your blueberry muffin.
Oh, wait a moment.
Is there a problem?
This is a cold coffee.
A cold coffee?
Yes, I asked for a hot coffee.
Oh, I am so sorry.
That is okay.
Let me fix that for you. I will make a hot coffee now.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here is your hot coffee. It is very hot. Be careful.
Thank you. It smells great.
I am sorry about the mistake.
No problem at all.
Enjoy your coffee and muffin.
Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye.